REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited handed over Jalna Power Transmission Limited, the project-specific special purpose vehicle, to the successful bidder MS Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company Limited on 12 June 2026. NLC India Limited informed stock exchanges that Unit 3, 660 megawatts of the Ghatampur Thermal Power Project has achieved commercial operation declaration effective from 0 hours on the same day. SBI Funds Management Limited has reported a reduction in its shareholding in Petronet LNG Limited following net market sales in the open market. According to the regulatory filing, SBI Mutual Fund has sold a net 68,777,597 equity shares, representing 0.4585% of the company's paid-up capital. HPCL has finalized the official timeline for its massive 19 rupees and 25 paise per equity share final dividend for financial year 2025 to 26, marking the company's highest standalone final dividend payout in the last 5 years. This distribution comes on the heels of robust quarterly refining margins. The National Research Development Corporation has signed and exchanged a licensing agreement for the transfer of advanced dairy technology developed by CSIR Laboratories to the private sector. The agreement involves the transfer of milk mastitis detection system technology developed by CSIR CEERI Pilani to Navshali Innovations Private Limited based in Karnal. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited announced that Ravi L, Chief Procurement Officer Refineries, has been recognized with the Outstanding Procurement Leader 2026 award by the Institute of Supply Chain Management. The recognition was presented during the 8th Procurement India Leadership Forum 2026 held in Mumbai, which brought together procurement and supply chain leaders from across industries. Mahanadar Gas Limited has strengthened its commitment to skill development and community empowerment by inaugurating a new training center in Ausa, Latur district under its CSR initiative MGL Hunar. The center, inaugurated on June 5th, aims to provide free employment-oriented training to rural youth and enhance their access to livelihood opportunities. Fixed deposits have always been the top choice for middle-class families seeking secure investments with guaranteed returns. If you want to grow your hard-earned money in a trusted government-backed public sector bank without market risks, Canara Bank's special 444-day FD scheme might be the perfect financial move for you. The race for the top leadership position at India's largest power generation company, NTPC Limited, has entered its decisive phase. With 18 candidates shortlisted, the energy sector is keenly watching who will replace long-serving CMD Gurdeep Singh. Gurdeep Singh's extended tenure concludes on July 31, 2026, making the position vacant from August 1, 2026. This leadership transition is critical as NTPC navigates India's ambitious energy transition goals. MOIL Limited has been conferred with the prestigious Madhya Pradesh Environment Award 2022-23 in recognition of its excellence in environmental protection and sustainable practices in mining operations. This honor highlights MOIL's consistent efforts toward responsible mining, ecological balance, and long-term environmental stewardship.